guys, it's your math coach, and I'm going to talk to you about anchor charts as they relate to using them for math. All right, so when you're using an anchor chart for math, you can use it for a review, or you can use it for simply introducing the lesson. All right, so I'm going to act as if I'm using it as a review. All right, guys, so we just completed our number sense routine. Now we're getting ready to go into our whole group lesson. Yesterday, we talked about something. What did we talk about, guys? Equivalent fractions. Very good. All right, so as your student, if you're going to do it, like as the students are telling you what you guys have talked about, you would write it during your lesson. So first you would write equivalent fractions. All right, equivalent fractions. Now tell me, what does equivalent mean? It means equal. Very good. Equivalent means equal. How do we know when two fractions are equivalent? All right, and that's very good. Two fractions are equivalent if they are the same size or at the same point on the number line. Very good. Tell me one thing that we talked about yesterday. We said that equivalent fractions must have two things, or they must be two things. Very good. They must be the same size and shape. All right, now we're going to talk about some examples of equivalent fractions. All right, what's this shape right here? It is a square. Very good. What part of fraction shaded does the first square represent? 1/2. That is correct. All right. Now let's look at the second square. What part shaded is this square? Because we have 4 parts. What parts are shaded? 2/4. Very good. They are equivalent because what? They are the same size and they have the same amount shaded. Half here and this over here, half is shaded in the second square. Very good. Let's look at the number line. All right, the first number line is broken into 6. And we see the dot is at the halfway point of the number line. That represents 3/6. Now let's look at the second number line. We have a hole and we have our point in the half of the number line. It represents half. All right. They both are at the midpoint of the number line. So we can see that 3/6 is equal to 1/2. They're on the same point of the number line. So those fractions are equivalent. All right. Now we're going to talk about not equivalent. All right. What two shapes do we have right here that are shaded green? We have a square and a rectangle. Very good. But I said they are not equivalent. Can you tell me why? Because they both have half shaded. That's right. Because equivalent fraction, they must have the same size and same shape. These are not the same shape. Very good. So even though they both represent half, they're not the same size or the shape. Very good. All right, next we have a circle and a triangle. Why are they not equivalent? Because they both have 1/4 shaded. Very good. They are not the same shape. All right, very good. So as we get ready to go into our small groups, you're going to complete another activity on fractions, and we're going to be doing other things. All right, now that's how you would review your anchor charts for math. And now I'm going to show you one that was created by your colleague, Miss Coley. All right, and she have keywords for addition. So when she was creating this, I'm sure she probably told her students, she probably asked her students, what are some keywords? What let us know when we're solving word problems that we need to add? And they gave her these examples. Thank you, Miss Coley. So if you have any questions about anchor charts and how to use them, or you need some created for a specific topic, please let me know.